Hey everyone, it's Aftab Pureval, Mayor of the great city of Cincinnati, and we are here at the press conference launching this year's MidwestCon, which is September 4th, 5th, and 6th, right here in Cincinnati. This is our crown jewel event as we work with researchers and innovators here in Cincinnati and at the University of Cincinnati, but also collaborators around the country and around the world. I am so proud of Rob Richardson and all of our founders and innovators for making sure that Cincinnati is not just part of the AI revolution, but is leading it.
The University of Cincinnati and us in this region are leading when it comes to responsible AI and responsible technology. You know, AI and data are the new electricity. It powers everything from healthcare to business to education, because AI can either be used to divide us or to empower us. And our goal here is to make sure that we are empowering our communities.
Come join us. MidwestCon is going to be a great way to shine a wonderful light on the city and all the wonderful, amazing partners we have in the ecosystem that's working on artificial intelligence, machine learning, and large language models. We're building something special here at 1819, so come join us.
The goal should be us as humans creating authentic intelligence, augmenting our own intelligence and using this tool to empower all, not to simply have it be something that replaces all of us. That's the opportunity at this moment. That's why we're having this conference. That's why we want you to join us and disrupt.
This whole responsible AI movement is taking off. It's critically important. MidwestCon is at the heart of that effort. And now MidwestCon is taking it to the next level and bringing even more outsiders to participate in an urgently needed debate that crosses business, technology, public policy. Think about the collision of AI and diversity and equity, AI and entrepreneurialism, AI and trust. So this is where it's happening, and you want to support MidwestCon.
The future is collaborative and community, and we're just one node in the burgeoning AI ecosystem here in Cincinnati.
We're going to talk about digital privacy and online safety and how that affects our region and our nation. So we need to understand how they're using it and how we can create a safe environment online for our families, our children. And we also need to learn how businesses who have our precious data can better protect it and have better solutions in this revolution.
I want to see some good Midwest values prompting us about our decisions, about how we want to move forward to a future where we move forward responsibly, because we believe in collaboration, community, and co-creating a future where we all thrive and prosper together.